Having the right Android tablet can completely change your digital experience. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best Android tablets so that you'll never have to suffer through laggy performance, limited storage, or frustrating app crashes again. Now, the issue is that a tablet might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, and that's only because tablets are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect tablet for you. All of the links to find the best prices on all of the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. First, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and that's my choice for the best tablet for most people. If you're looking for an Android tablet that won't cost you an arm and a leg, but still can handle your everyday tasks, this tablet has a 10.4-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels, which is good enough for watching videos, browsing the web, and reading ebooks. You're not going to have to worry about lagging or freezing, as the Tab S6 Lite is powered by the Exynos 9611 processor, which is an octa-core chip with a 10nm fabrication process. This means it can run smoothly without draining too much battery life. The Tab S6 Lite also comes with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage, which you can expand with a microSD card if you need more space. The camera department is not very impressive, with a near 8-megapixel rear shooter and a 5-megapixel front-facing one, but they're good enough for video calls and casual snaps. You can also enjoy a long battery life, as the Tab S6 Lite has a 7040 mAh battery capacity that can last up to 12 hours of mixed usage, and it supports 15-watt fast charging. The Tab S6 Lite also comes with an S Pen stylus, which is great for taking notes, drawing, and navigating the tablet. You can also customize your tablet with Samsung's One UI 2.5 on top of Android 10, which offers some useful features and options. The Tab S6 Lite is a great option for students, professionals, and anyone who wants a reliable tablet without breaking the bank. Next, I have the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen, and that's my choice for the best Android tablet for the money. The Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen is a premium tablet that offers a stunning display, a powerful performance, and a signature beautiful design. Coming in with a better display than the Samsung Tab S6 Lite, the Tab P11 Pro Gen has an 11.2-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1536 by 2560 pixels, which delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and wide viewing angles. The display also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, which enhances the visual quality of compatible content. The Tab P11 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Compagno 1300T processor, which is an octa-core chip with a 6nm fabrication process. This processor is designed for high-end tablets and can handle all multitasking, solid gaming performance, and productivity with ease. The Tab P11 Pro Gen also comes with 4, 6, or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage, which you can expand with a microSD card to 1 TB. The camera department is decent, with a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera to capture good photos and videos in well-lit conditions. The battery capacity is 8200 mAh, which translates to 1500 hours of usage in one charge, and it supports 20-watt fast charging. The Tab P11 Pro Gen also comes with a keyboard cover and a stylus for all of your versatile device requirements to use for work and entertainment. Offering a user-friendly and intuitive user experience, the Tab P11 Pro Gen is powered by Android 11. The Tab P11 Pro Gen is a great option for anyone who wants a premium tablet with a gorgeous display and a solid performance. Next, I have the Google Pixel tablet, and that's my choice for the best tablet for productivity. The Google Pixel tablet is a top-notch tablet that gives you a pure Android experience, a smart performance, and a sleek design. The Pixel tablet has a 10.95-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels, which is crisp and bright for watching videos, browsing the web, and reading ebooks. The Pixel tablet runs on the Google Tensor G2 processor, which is an octa-core chip with a 5nm fabrication process. This processor is Google's own creation, which is made for AI and machine learning tasks. The Pixel tablet also has 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, which you can't expand. The camera department is not the newest, with an 8-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera, but you can take amazing photos and videos with Google's awesome computational photography features. The battery capacity is 7020 mAh, which can last for 10 hours of usage and supports 15 watts fast charging. The Pixel tablet also has a Pixel Pen stylus, which is great for taking notes, drawing, and just using the tablet overall. The Pixel tablet works on Android 12 or 13 with Google's Pixel UI on top, which really does give you one of the best user experiences. The Pixel tablet is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-end tablet with a pure Android experience and a smart performance. And if you want a better display, battery life, or higher resolution camera, our next pick might just be better for you. Next, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, and that's my choice for the best overall Android tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, an awesome tablet that has a lot to offer. It has a big and beautiful screen that is 11.0 inches and has a high resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels. The screen shows amazing colors, dark blacks, and clear views from any angle. The screen also refreshes very fast, which makes everything look smooth and fluid. The fast processor of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is one of the best processors out there. It can do many things at once, like gaming, working, and browsing. The Tab S9 has a lot of memory and storage, with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage, which you can make bigger with a microSD card. The Tab S9 has great cameras, with 13 megapixels on the back and 12 megapixels on the front. They can take nice pictures and videos when there's enough light. The Tab S9 has a big 8400 mAh battery, providing a full 14 hours of usage on a single charge. The Tab S9 also has an S Pen stylus, and that's useful for writing, drawing, and using the tablet in general, really improving the overall experience of the tablet. The Tab S9 uses Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.5, which has some helpful features and options. You can get the Tab S9 in different colors, like black, silver, or bronze. The Tab S9 also has quad speakers, which give you a great sound quality. The Tab S9 is compatible with a keyboard cover, which makes typing a lot easier. The Tab S9 is a great choice for anyone who wants a premium tablet with a gorgeous screen and a powerful performance. Next, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The Tab S9 Ultra has a huge and gorgeous screen that is 14.6 inches and has a very high resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels. The screen shows incredible colors, dark blacks, and clear views from any angle. The screen also refreshes very fast, which makes everything look swift and smooth. The Tab S9 Ultra has a beastly processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is one of the best processors in the world. It can do many things at once, like gaming, working, and browsing. The Tab S9 Ultra has a lot of memory and storage with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256, 512, or 1 terabyte of storage, which you can always make up to 1 terabyte bigger with a microSD card. The Tab S9 Ultra has awesome cameras with 13 megapixels and 8 megapixels on the back and 12 megapixels and 12 megapixels on the front. These can take stunning pictures and videos with Samsung's smart photography features. The Tab S9 Ultra has a huge battery, which is 11,200 mAh, and can last up to 16 hours on just one charge. The Tab S9 Ultra also has an S Pen stylus for you to write, draw, and use away. The Tab S9 Ultra uses Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.5, which has some helpful features and options. The Tab S9 Ultra is one of the best choices for anyone who wants the most amazing tablet with a huge screen and a beastly performance. Also, with its 4 speakers, which give you a great sound quality. You can get the Tab S9 Ultra in a lot of different colors, and it comes in black, silver, bronze, or even pink. The Tab S9 Ultra is compatible with a keyboard cover for easier typing and extra portability. And it comes with a fingerprint scanner, which really makes unlocking the tablet faster and safer. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the ultimate tablet that has everything you need and more.